Hello everyone, myself Pratik Kumar Mahanta and I with my group mates Nitesh Kumar Nath, Vinu Padanandana and Chandrasekhar Maharana. We are doing a project on powertrain design for e-scooter. The main motive of this project, doing this project is that we have built a controller which will give power to the e-scooter, and here we can see that in our e-scooter we have used a lithium-ion battery of 24 volt and 12 AH, and then we have used a hub motor in the 350 hub motor of 350 watt, and then we have here we can see that we have designed a box-like structure called a controller where we have used 6 MOSFETs and 3 ICs which is connected to the e-scooter and
This is a controller. We can use this controller also in e-rickshaw, which is up to 900 watt. And as our internship is all about powertrain design, we have given the maximum time to make this controller and work on it. And as my colleague Pradipta earlier said, we are using 24 volt lithium-ion battery. So that full supply of this battery will give to the controller 24 volt by these two terminals, positive and negatives. And also you can see the 3 more terminals here. So these are the terminals which is further connected to the BLDC hub motor of 350 watt. And there are furthermore few pins, that is a hall sensor pin, a throttling pin, and also a key pin. And the key is connected here. So after turning on the key, you can hear the 3 beep sounds. So basically we have these sounds given for the safety measures, and also the riders can hear it. So he try to drive it after hearing the sounds. So I am accelerating it, and also I have given a braking functionality.
This is all about our project, and we thank a lot to Dr. Sudhanshu sir who will guide us all time in this project. And also we learned most of the things as how to calculate BLDC motor specification and motor specification, and also we learned how to program for controller. At last I will thank you sir for everything.